Welcome to a unique vehicle tracking system that combines the use of automatic vehicle locations in individual vehicles with software that collects these fleet data for a comprehensive picture of vehicle locations. Our vehicle tracking system commonly uses GPS technology for locating the vehicle. The collected vehicle information can be viewed on electronic maps via internet. There are two types of users: admin, front end. Let's begin with admin. We have two menu named master transactions. You have options like add objects, add tracker groups, add user, add landmark, add fence, add speed, add marker. Add objects. Here you can add vehicle or device details. Also you can edit the details. Add tracker. Here you can add tracker and tracker type details, and also you can edit the tracker details. Add groups. Here you can create groups and edit the group, like marketing team. Add users. Here you can create user with details and edit the user details. Add landmarks. Here you can create landmarks with the help of map. With an appropriate landmark name. Add fence. Here you can create fence map depending upon the landmark. Also we have provided four different shapes, namely rectangle, square, circle, polygon. You can select the shape, the fence size, this is a polygon shape fence. Add speed. Here you can add requisite speed limits like low, medium, high speed limits. Add marker. Here you can upload your desired map marker image, which is useful in showing the tracker. Now let's move to transactions menu. Here you have three options like assign tracker to object, assign group to object, assign fence to object. Assign tracker to object. Here you can assign tracker to specific vehicle and you can also edit the assigned object. Assign group to object. Here you can assign the group to particular object and you can also edit the assigned object. Thirdly, assign fence to object. Here you can assign the fence to particular object and you can also edit the assigned object. Now let's move with user login. It has tabs like home, about us, products, services, FAQs, login, contact us. Once you log in with user credentials, you will arrive to dashboard where you have two menus: view main map, logout. Here we will display the vehicle current moment details showing the vehicle number, current speed of the vehicle, device number, current location along with date and time, and also provided link to view map to see the vehicle current location in map, both in Bing or by Google Map. View main map. Here you have options like show all, clear all, refresh, live track, back to dashboard, all vehicle reports and logout. Show all displays all vehicle location. Clear all clears all the log. Refresh the data. Live track. Here you can track any assigned vehicle in 3 particular modes. Last 24 hours, live tracking, quick trial. You can also add time period like from and to. You could see the date and the particular time to display all the vehicle details. In the pop-up you can see the details regarding the location, longitude, latitude, date, time and the speed of the vehicle. You could see the vehicle movement. Now let's move to reports. There are 5 types of reports: tracking, fence, navigation, stoppage, overspeed report. Tracking report. Here we will display the vehicle movement details showing the current speed of the vehicle, current location and along with date and time. Also provided link to view map to see the vehicle's current location in map, both in Bing or by Google Map. These are the details of the vehicle: date and time, speed, location, map. This is the vehicle location in Google Map. Let's move to fence report. Here we will display the vehicle movement details showing the vehicle name, number, current speed of the vehicle and current location. Navigation. Here we will display the vehicle movement details, that is showing the vehicle's location in map between the start date and the end date. Here you could see the selected vehicle details. Stoppage report. Here we will display the vehicle movement details showing the vehicle location, the vehicle stop time along with the date and the time. Provided to view to see the vehicle location in map. This is the stopped vehicle. Let's move to overspeed report. Here we will display the vehicle movement details showing the speed of the vehicle, the location along with the date and time. You could see the speed range would select as 1 to 40. 40 to 60, 60 to 90. Let's move with 1 to 40. The start date, the time, end date, and the desired time. You could see all the details here: date and time, speed of the vehicle, location, and you can also view it in the map. Thank you.